Hello, welcome to Not Mark II Golf Stories. Today we're going to be installing an induction kit on this Mini Cooper S R53. And today I'm joined by the one and only Mr. Sunglasses. Right, James, how you doing?
I'm good. You?
I'm good, mate, yeah.
Excellent.
So, this is your Mini.
It is.
People may have seen it in a previous video where we talked about your Mini
Yep.
and whatnot. And today we're going to be installing a bit of kit on it.
Yeah. It's actually my first modification on it.
First modification
Other than the exhaust I've had done.
And the grill.
Oh yeah, but I didn't do that myself. So.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Well, I think before we get started, we need to have a little listen as to what it sounds like now, and then we'll do before and after. So,
Perfect.
who's ringing you?
No idea. Oh, it looks like I've had a fall.
Have you got fall alert? You're not that old, mate. Fall alert, Grandad James here.
Shut up.
Here's a little rev. Okay. Right, let's have a look what we've got in this box then.
So we've got one performance air filter,
Very nice.
a couple of Jubilee clips, some silicone spacer,
Nice bit of hose.
pièce de résistance.
In the box.
Yeah, airbox including lid.
Lovely.
And perspex.
Is that it?
I think so.
Okay. First things first, James, you need to disconnect your battery.
So the battery's in the boot
Yeah.
there. And it's got one of them yokes, so it.
Ah, cool.
Yeah,
Nice.
So you just turn it off, so it saves the battery for
There we
later.
go. Very good. So you get one there, one there.
How many's on here?
Can I see two?
Oh no, there's only two.
Okay.
Two
We'll
at
do
the
that one
front.
then. Right, what do we need?
220, I think.
Nice.
Just gonna.
Oh, lovely. Nice and easy. Nice.
Second one. Man the way through it.
Yeah, there you go. Comes off dead easy, that. It's a good clip, that.
Well, you can go back on, but don't know if it'll fit.
Oh, we've got a split there. Have you? Is it just... No, it's not a split, is it? I'm not sure about that.
Where's that? Well, we're changing that anyway, aren't
Yeah.
we? I mean, it's 20 odd years old, isn't it?
Yeah. Filter looks nice and clean.
Should hope so.
Very nice. So the box just fits on top of here, you think, then, does it?
Yes.
Great, you don't even need to take the ECU out then. Cool. So it's just down here. It's going to be a pain in the arse to get on and off. He says. That's loosening up very well. Oops. Okay. There we go, and you've got this pipe on it here as well. Some pliers for that.
Can we sold anything?
Let's get this spray with some. Probably a bit overkill there, but you know.
Yeah, 20 odd years of crud built up.
Not too bad really, is it? Considering. We could probably do with taking it off and giving it a... There we go, it's looking, like James says, a million times better, nice and clean, so.
Straight from the factory. There we go.
Do we just do a test fitment, see if it needs trimming at all?
I would hope it wouldn't do, but that little nubbin fits on there.
Yep. Don't forget you got your inlet from the outside, yeah?
Yeah, and then that fits
So
on
it goes,
there, I
do
presume.
that way? Yeah.
Oh, it might need trimming. Maybe we should put that on first.
Does it need trimming down the bottom maybe first? Let's get it on there first, on the bottom then. We'll give it a clean before we put it on.
Yeah.
So that does need a bit of a trim, doesn't it? So we determined that the old hose is the perfect length. So what we're going to do, in theory, all we need to do is cut this to be the same length, because there's quite a bit of a size difference. So there's not much difference. I mean, is there? I don't think there's much difference between it and the bottom. It's just probably the top where it's too long.
And what would that be for? Silicone spacer.
I'm about to go inside the filter or outside
that's
it.
yeah.
So we won't go too mad at first. I think we'll just cut it about. Do you want to go there? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
So as there's a bend on this and on this, we're gonna not go too crazy. We're just gonna cut it after the bend here. So we'll put a clip on here so we know where we're cutting. Something like that.
On this side there.
This side of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You reckon there?
Yeah.
Should we tighten that up and then?
Yeah. Right, let's see if that fits. Test fit looks okay. So we'll just get these off. There's just one, is there? Two. Two down here, one here, one here.
Yeah.
Hopefully they come out nice and easy. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Good. It's nice when things come out without too much drama.
Assume it slides in there, doesn't it?
That's what she said. Put
Too
it on the
tight.
maybe put it on there
Put
first.
it on there, yeah. Satisfying that.
Nice.
Right, so here's the dilemma.
Yeah.
If you ever want to change that,
Yeah.
how do you?
You need to have a clip at the top, don't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Shit, right.
So we might have to take the top off anyway.
Okay. We'll just give the front body a bit of a clean as well with some brake and carb cleaner. Carbon intake cleaner, not brake and carb cleaner. Talk your shit as normal. Okay. It's looking a bit better. And we'll just make sure we have the have it facing away so we can get to it easily if you need to take it off again. Made that mistake before. So hit a snag. The clip we've got, we can get on at the front, we can't get it on properly at the back. So we're going to see if we can go and get one that's maybe 5 to 10 mils bigger and will give us more room to work with so we can get this secured nicely. So quick job to Halfords.
No, it's a couple of mil away, isn't it? Once you've got that, will that push it out?
Yeah, maybe.
Like that. Oops. That go right in there?
Not sure. I don't think everyone was right in.
I think it must do, mustn't it?
No, try that.
I don't want my phone now.
It's still. Right, let's get these screws in. Don't drop it. Okay, so we had to put a bigger clip on down here and at the top because the ones we had originally were too small. The kit came with a 50 to 70 mil. These are 70 to 90. Okay, so it's all together now. Let's see how she sounds. Here's a little rev. Okay. Happy with that, James?
Yes, very happy.
Good.
Give it a spin on the road shortly.
You're happy?
I'm happy, well happy.
Okay, great. Well, there we go. That's how you fit induction kit on your R53 Mini Cooper S. It's Mini Cooper S, isn't it?
Mini Cooper S.
Found the video useful, interesting? Give us a like, click on subscribe. More cool car content coming soon. Thank you very much.